Hello and welcome to Science Monitor, a show that brings to you the most significant news from the world of science, technology, innovation, research, discoveries and much more. I'm Smriti Rastogi and here are this week's headlines. The world's first 205 megahertz stratosphere troposphere wind profiler radar is operationalized at the Cochin University of Science and Technology. As the mango season peaks, we visit the Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture in Lucknow, the largest repository of mango varieties in the world. Delhi Pollution Control Committee notifies a list of fuels permissible for industrial use within the National Capital Region of Delhi. Scientists at IIT Hyderabad develop a novel green method for recycling orange peel waste, which also has great ecological benefits and commercial potential. Citrus fruits like oranges are known for their health and nutritional benefits. Worldwide citrus fruit production is estimated at over 110 metric tons annually. Of this, nearly 40 to 50% is waste in terms of citrus peel. While most peels are discarded, a small quantity is used in cosmetics, flavoring and as fragrance agents. To ensure less waste and more meaningful utilization of these peels, scientists from IIT Hyderabad have successfully developed a process that has eco-friendly applications of citrus peel extract, including the recycling of the polystyrene, a major component of plastic waste. Our Science Monitor team brings you this report.
The thirst-quenching citrus fruits have many health benefits. Worldwide, citrus fruit production is estimated at over 110 metric tons annually. Over 60% of its production comprises of oranges, which are consumed fresh or as juice. However, the thick, bitter peels are removed before the fruits are processed. In fact, the juice industry produces a large quantity of citrus peel waste as byproduct. Some of this waste is processed and used for flavor, fragrance, cosmetics, or as cleansing agents. However, the processes involved are based on high energy utilization and even the products require further processing and purification. Therefore, there is a great need for efficiently processing as much of this citrus waste as possible and also to try and find new applications for it. A simple childhood experiment done with geometric scale and orange peels grabbed the attention of Dr. Chandrasekhar Sharma and his research team from IIT Hyderabad. And so, they started working to find useful and sustainable ways of using orange peel waste.
We have devised new methodologies in our lab in which we not only use the orange peel extract in its pure form, but also allows 3 layers to form, and each layer is used in many different ways in an innovative manner. So in a way, we have come up with the novel green and eco-friendly technologies to use this agro waste product.
Interestingly, the simple extract of the orange peel is also effective for the recycling of polystyrene, which is a plastic used widely in the production of disposable plastic cutlery, among many other applications. IIT Hyderabad has also found that the 3 layers obtained after separation of orange peel showed its usefulness separately in oil spills removal from water. While the carbon nanoparticles obtained from the middle layer of the orange peel has been found to be useful in making energy storage electrodes for lithium batteries. While the 3rd layer can be of use as a solvent for gelatin to make gelatin nanofibers, which can in turn have the potential in biomedical applications. So Dr. Chandrasekhar Sharma and his team have found novel green and sustainable routes to utilize large quantities of agro waste for the benefit of humanity as well as for the environment. The research is ongoing and in the future the team is sure to find more useful applications of citrus waste and how it can be used in commercially viable ways to benefit all.